Friends, it's Trisha here from Freedom Hill. We are in our new home and we are almost 100% settled. I still have things to put on the walls and things like that. I'll give you a few tours. I want to finish up my office and give you a tour of that. But today I want to show you my favorite kitchen drawer. This is a very wide drawer. It's not like usually you get a drawer above the cupboard and a drawer above the cupboard, but this has one large drawer that is over both cupboards. I love that. I love that idea. And I found these fantastic organizers at IKEA. Now I'm going to take one out and show you. It's large and it's deep. It doesn't fit in the drawer normally. It hangs on the edges of the drawer. I don't know if you can tell that from seeing this here, but it just hangs on the edges. And then there's room for larger things in between that won't roll under. There's maybe half an inch under each divider. But I like it because I can organize all my small gadgets. I am a gadget girl. I love gadgets. So on this side I have birthday candles, some twist ties and toothpicks. I have a few smaller items back here just used for cooking or whatever. My matches, my bamboo servers, my miscellaneous things that I don't use often, like these are to make cannolis. And so I just keep these back here. I don't make cannolis that often, but when I do, they're there. Keep my bag clips here, just these different items, my juicer, my avocado tool, a little cookie scoop. I think this is an apple core, and that comes in handy. And then this is 2 apple slicers I have here, and a thing that slices and makes like fluted edges. On this side I have my microplane, this is the microplane cover that goes with this. It's a Pampered Chef thing. See, already something's out of order. I'm not the only one that puts things away in my drawers. This is my bench scraper, which I use very often. This holds like a handle of a pot. If you have a pot that has a hot handle, this goes on the pot like that. Sorry for the dirty dish. And then my 2 small offset spatulas. I keep my small spatulas in here. My melon baller, a few miscellaneous small tools. Some measuring spoons in here. My egg separator here. It's another set of miscellaneous things. This is my favorite garlic mincer. You put the garlic in there and you twist it and it minces it up. It's really well. As you can see, this drawer is full of different miscellaneous small gadgets, but I love it. And these drawer dividers from Home Depot, I think they only cost $7.99, are a perfect fit to go in here, and they look beautiful when I pull them out. I keep 2 of my rolling pins back here. There's another chip clip. It's a little larger, so I put it down here. But yeah, this is my favorite kitchen drawer so far. And I'm going to show you another drawer that's the same size, but I have a different organizing system for that drawer. So let's go over there. Okay, here's my second large drawer. Again, this drawer is over top of 2 cupboards, and it's one long drawer. So in this space, I have larger kitchen utensils. So I didn't use the same dividers. I just put together my own little hodgepodge of dividers. I'll pull these straws out because they're reflecting on the light. But I just wanted to show you what I have in here. I have my larger kitchen tools that I pretty much grab every day. My funnels. I have actually some ant poison in here. My small triangle shredder, grater. Some miscellaneous kitchen items that I use periodically in here. Obviously my straws. I also keep skewers, barbecue skewers in this portion with the straw. All these dividers came from the Dollar Tree. I needed one this size and they didn't have white, so I went ahead and got the red. But yeah, you can see my spider, my larger whisk, my large ladles, and all the larger utensils that I use, and back here also larger utensils. So these drawers, I love them. I've never had drawers that were the width of 2 drawers in one. I think it's very convenient. I love it. And I love working with this system. It works great. I also want to show you back in that corner, in this corner, I have the absolute everyday essentials. I pretty much use these every day or every other day. So these are the ones I grab first. So I keep them up here by the stove, just nice and neat there, so that they're easy to grab. I've got tools laying here. I'm waiting for a handyman or someone that the rental management company is supposed to send to hook up my new stove. This is my brand new stove, and it's not yet hooked up, so I can't use it yet, but we're getting there. So there you have it. I just wanted to give you a tour of my favorite kitchen drawer and my second favorite kitchen drawer. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.